Today, about to knock out a...
Okay. No, start over.
Today, about to knock out a simple modification to this E90, which happens to be this fresh driver over here, her car. This is Callie, my daughter. She has been itching to put some fresh grills. So we got some black grills here that are going to help enhance the look and make this baby look a little bit better. She's been dying for some black grills, haven't you?
Yeah.
Go ahead and put them on.
Right.
Just do it. All right, step one is understanding how these things attach. They have these clips here that clip into the back of the front bumper. So what we're gonna try to do is reach in and release the clips from the front side. The top ones are gonna be a little bit tougher to get, but let's see if we can't get these things undone out of here. One, pop the hood. Callie's gonna hit that hood pop. Popping the hood.
It's called a hood pop.
You can see the little tabs in here. We're gonna try to pick up on that. Oh, yep, that popped a little bit. Oh, there we go. Hopefully I don't break this thing.
Yeah, let's not.
Using a pick or something to get the top ones may make life easier. This one on the outside is super tight. I'm gonna use this little pick and see if I can get it. And then we're gonna make Callie do the other side.
Great.
Voila. All right, Callie, see if you can get that bottom popped out. All right, so now grab that one there and see if you can get that one to pop free a little bit.
I can't
So
look
you've got to pull. Oh, well, I got it out. Now, once you've got these out, it is incredibly easy to put them in. All you do is line them up and push. So we're gonna get Callie to put these in. Grab that. Notice which side it is, line it up, and then just push. You should feel everything click in. Boom. All right, now hit that other side. Oh yeah. All right, shut the hood. Well, that was all of like, I don't know, 2 minutes. And we are looking much better. What do you think of your new grills, Callie?
I like them.
Yeah, that looks awesome. Super simple, easy modification to enhance the look of your E90. We got a range of black grills for pretty much any BMW you can think of. So check them out at BimmerWorld.com.
You ready to go? Should be an awesome race weekend. We are ready to kill it this year. It's good. It's going to be a wild ride.